Good morning, y'all. Welcome to Arouse Media. One of your hosts here, Gio.
And here I am too, your boy Lucas, nice and tired on an early Sunday morning.
Guys, Lucas does not want anything to do with today.
Oh no, I'm very excited. It's just the 4:45 a.m. wake-up call was not it for me.
Guys, we are here today. We're with Josh. I actually don't even know if he's following Lucas, but or he might have taken the truck route. But essentially, today we're gonna record the intro that you guys see on the channel that has the drone footage. Josh is one of our very good friends. We met him literally this year, and he is such a great guy. Like, to say the least about him.
The world's best neighbor, and it's no contest.
He's literally great, guys. Like, I fucking love him. So yeah. If you guys watched the last video, like I said, we have never taken the turnpike before. So this is definitely an experience, to say the least. We are on the way to Edgewater, and this is our first time on the turnpike. And let me tell you, we took the carsway today because Lucas and I are not ready to start like touching trailers yet. But that's all part of the journey, guys. We gotta love it for what it is.
Man, turn on the signal after the turn.
Lucas? Lucas? Lucas?
Hold on, I am a couple lights back. I need to take the GoPro remote off.
All right, great. All right, guys. Lucas and I got separated, so it looks like I'm alone today. Guys, so anyway, I guess while Lucas got separated and I am here alone, I guess this will make for good content, you know? Because now it's like we're both going separate ways. But yeah, we're both supposed to end up in Edgewater. We will see if that happens. But let me tell you, from my personal experience, riding a bike has been fucking great.
Gio! Gio!
Ahead about everything, you know? Always anticipating. A great channel that I watch. Like, did you guys see that? I love it, guys.
Gio!
to give me a little thing, and I almost endoed, but that's part of the experience, guys. It's part of the experience. So yeah, I fucking love it, and we're on our way. Where are you, Lucas? Lucas! Lucas, I heard you. Where are you?
Hello. I hear you again. I'm on the street. I'm on like the main street in Edgewater.
Guys, I found Lucas. Oh, I heard him. I don't know where he is. Lucas! Lucas? Alright, well, I think I found Josh. Josh! Well, let me tell you, I lost Lucas on the way, and I don't have a SIM card. Well, I mean, I have a SIM card, but it's like the vibrations, so.
Yeah, he's actually right behind me.
Okay. Okay, that's good.
I was gonna say, I saw a nice spot like back, maybe like a mile back.
Sure, well, yeah.
Want me just to turn around and go and follow you?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, good. I was following Josh. I was more just calling out your name, so that's gonna be a fun little part in the video where I'm just literally screaming, Gio!
Lucas! I was like, oh, I lost Lucas, and I just started talking about like some writing experience stuff. Let me tell you. Woo! We just arrived, though. Woo! Look at this beautiful view. Literally, look at this beautiful view.
Absolutely.
Guys, we finished recording the intro that you guys have now seen, obviously, but yeah, we're on the way back. It's been a great.
We're gonna make it a little bit more.
Yes, sir. We always do.